I hope everyone have submitted your assignments, right? Yesterday's assignments, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, Chiru, did you submitted your assignment? Chiranjeevi?
Sir.
Okay. Give me a minute. Yeah, this is yours, right? Okay. So let me copy your assignment into our notebook. Then we'll see. See, your assignments, you should not send the assignments like this. Actually, you must have to send the assignments in IPYNB file, in the Jupyter notebook file. Okay, if you don't know how to do that one, ask the evaluation team. Anyhow, so good that you have done your assignment things, but still it is okay. So here, infinite loop. Yeah, so some of you asked me that this the infinite loop, how to break the infinite loop. That you guys were asking some doubts. So I want to revisit the same content today. So hope you all ready. We can start, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here, how to break the infinite loop for a condition. When a condition crash or met. Okay. So you all know that infinite loop. Okay. So or whiteboard. Okay. See, there is a process. Let's say there is a process. Okay. This is a process where this process will be executing something. Okay. So let's say so 1 and 2 and 3 like this. Okay. So after that, from there, here, from there, here, and once this is done, then okay, so it goes back to here. So this is called a kind of a looping. So this looping is like here we are going to use a kind of a while loop. So this loop, and then this is first expression, second expression, third expression, and it continues. Okay. So when I say uh, when I say it is an infinite loop, okay, so some infinite loop means it is a kind of a circle. This complete thing will go like a kind of a circle. Okay, so it will be infinite. Okay, infinite times it rotates, in the sense it circulates from comparing this while loop and then do this and then do this and then do this. And then comparing this while loop, always it will be true, and then do this, do this. So that while loop, when we are handling with the infinite times, we should be very, 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 very careful. Okay, so in that, when we need to stop it, actually, for example, when once you get into a car, you started driving the car. Okay, and the car is while you are driving the car, in the sense while you are driving the car, which means while loop, here it is. So when the car is being driven, you might be changing your accelerator, you might be changing your gear, and you might be applying a brake. Correct? So you'll be having a accelerator, you will be having gear, and then you will be having brake. When the brake should be applied? When the brake should be applied? When the brake is applied, the running car will stop. So that is what here the concept is. When there is a hurdle comes in front of a car, you must have to apply your brake. When the brake is applied, then your engine stops. In the sense, your wheel stops. The engine will be running. The wheel stops at that place, which means your while loop is done. Okay, take that part from the driving example. Okay, so considering that, yeah, while loop with infinite while loop, you all know that, right? True means it is an infinite while loop. Okay,
Yes, sir. I know, sir.
infinite loop. Yeah, good. So here this is an infinite while loop. So we are going to write some conditions. Okay, so here the application here is every time this application asks some password. Okay, like this. Okay, so password. Okay, so enter your password. So every time this executions will be happening. So that password has to be verified. If that password is equal to, let's say some password, let's say 123456. So this is the password. If this password happens, we need to stop asking the password. Otherwise, it will be asking the password again and again, which means here actually just a temporary pass, let me put here, and then else, and I'm printing that in case if the password doesn't match. So password does not matching. Okay, so we need to enter the password again. So enter the password again until the right password is kept here. It will fail, and then it goes here, and then again we need to enter the password. So this is a kind of infinite loop. But to stop when the exact password is entered, to stop it, I think I have already explained this one. Maunika, can you please tell what I need to put here?
Break, sir.
Yes, correct. Okay. So now let me run this code, whether this code is working fine or not. Yes, Monica told us that break will work. So let's run the code. So enter the password. Let's say 123. Password does not matching. 456. Password does not matching. 1234567. Password does not match. So 123456 exact password I have given, and then that's it. Your application stops. Maybe if you run like a print, okay, or here you can type like instead of before the break, print logged in. That's it. So 1 2 3 4 5, it won't. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, it won't. 1 2 3 4 5 6, logged in. So this is a kind of an infinite loop. Again and again it will be asked, and once the condition met, break happens. Okay. I hope we will see the few more examples one by one. So the next one is